Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live, guys and gals. The OG's back, guys, back bigger and better than ever. And we're going to be talking about XRP, and crypto markets are exploding right now. And what can we expect by the end of this week? Right now, if I look at my watch, it's Wednesday. We still got a couple more days. And yeah, we've got to talk about a lot of stuff that's going on, a lot of positive stuff. We're seeing crypto market is pumping. Bitcoin is Bitcoin is pumping. And we are seeing also XRP is on fire. Dogecoin is on fire as well. So we're going to talk about that. What's happening? What's going on? What can we expect? Can we expect more pumpalicious stuff by the end of the week? We got some big announcements coming as well at the end of the week. So let's get freaking into it, guys, right now. Let's get into it, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. Don't forget to go down there and subscribe like a madman out there. I would appreciate it. So what are we seeing right now? We're seeing that the U.S. stock market is pumping as well. Things are looking pretty good. We did see the NASDAQ is up 2.71%. Also, we're seeing gold hit all-time highs of $3,500 for 1 ounce. OMG. So what's going on with the markets right now? We're seeing that Bitcoin has hit 94,000. We're on our way. We're on our freaking way to hit $100,000 pretty soon. We're seeing that XRP is at 226 right now. It's up 8%, looking very, very good. ADA is up as well. We could easily hit a buck out there. So things are looking pretty good. Seeing fear and greed is pumping right now. Last month, fear and greed was at 45. Now we're at 72. So things are looking good overall so far. We're seeing the crypto market cap. Let me give this a minty refresh right now. We are up 6.1% out there, and the total market cap right now is it's at 2.94 trillion. Not too bad. Fear and greed for all the crypto is at 52, looking pretty good. If we take a look at the dominance right now, 63.5% for BTC and 7.3%. We're still not in altcoin season, and when the altcoin season comes, we're going to rip. We're going to roar like crazy out there. We're seeing, once again, Bitcoin's picked up 6.58%, 13% for the week. Ethereum is up 10%, 15% for the week. XRP on fire right now, up 7.55%, up 10.79% for the week. So looking pretty good. The Dogecoin is up 11% right now, and at up 20% for the week. I think we're going to get ourselves back up to about 22 cents by the end of the week, guys. Keep on watching, keep on looking, keep on loving out there. Like I said, XRP right now looking very good. Lots of good gains out there. Dogecoin, pretty much the same thing. A lot of good gains as well. So the charts are looking very, very, very good. Crypto bubbles, we're seeing Bonk is up like 22%. Overall, it is green. If you take a look at quarter returns, 13% for Q2. Right now we're seeing April right now is 13%, so this is a reversal, right? So far we've had poo-poo schmata February, poo-poo schmata March, but April is definitely cooking, and typically April we see a medium average about 12.98%, guys. So we're in line. We're in freaking line. For next month we should be looking at an average of 7.94%. So historically, averages for May is worse than April. So guys, I still think it's the 23rd April. We're still cooking. We're still cooking, guys. Lots of rooms. And guys, did you know there's been a bunch of liquidations, almost 557 million worth of shorts. I did long BTC on Blowfin. I did long BTC on Blowfin, and I was up like 100%, guys. So guys, go down there, check out my Blowfin link, get some cash backs and all that kind of stuff. And it's the best place for trading, no KYC required. Go down there now. Check out the link. Guys, hopefully you're loving this stuff. Smash the likes like crazy out there. Things are looking pretty good. Like I said, $280 million worth of Bitcoin shorts were liquidated in the past 24 hours. Wow. So if you were shorting, you got hammer time. So I don't typically leverage trade, but I took a chance. So far, XRP is looking very good. Looks like we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern coming for XRP, which kind of puts me in the inclination that we can see 270. So 270 should be my next stop for XRP. So I think our next big stop for XRP is about 270. We've got some overhead resistance around about 245 out there. If you take a look at what's going on with DXY right now, DXY is plummeting. And that is another reason why we're seeing Bitcoin also pumping as well, guys. So that is pretty awesome. Pretty positive day out there. Dogecoin, what can I say? Dogecoin has broken past the resistance at 1795 and now Dogecoin is on its way to hit our next resistance at 20 cents. I think we'll see a nice 20 cents. So we have a bit of a W pattern forming here, which I think is here, and we've seen a breakout, but I think that will take us, I think we'll break out all the way to around about 18 cents. Same level that we were previously, so looking pretty good out there. Bitcoin is looking very, very good. It's trying to get back up to my support line here. For us to do that, we need to get around about $96,000. So looking good. Once again, for XRP, let me just give this chart a bit of a refresher. Yeah, looking pretty good, guys. I would even see that on the hourly, we're seeing a bit of a bull flag happening. What are we doing on the daily? On the daily, let me give this a quick cleanup here. On the daily, also too, we're seeing a bit. Can we see a bit of an inverse head and shoulders here? Yeah, I'm seeing a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. That could take us up easily to 270. That's my next freaking target for XRP. So looking pretty good out there. Just in, Forbes is predicting $59,472 price prediction, exactly like in the thumbnail, guys. That's what they're saying, guys. They're saying that. They're saying that could happen, particularly if the SWIFT system comes into play. Seeing XRP is forming an inverse head and shoulders right now, and that pattern is potential setting up for a bullish breakout to 270, guys. So it looks like 270 is in the cards. Gigapump coming for XRP. Don't forget, Justin, SEC Chairman Paul Atkins says his top priority is to provide a firm regulatory framework for digital assets. So that is positive. This is why
a top priority of my chairmanship will be to provide a firm regulatory foundation for digital assets through a rational, coherent, and principled approach. We will work to ensure that the United States is the best and most secure place in the world to invest and to do business. So, Mr. President, again, thank you very much for your graciousness.
Fantastic. So this is why we're seeing a lot of positive news out there. Lovely jubbly out there. Also, it looks like breaking XRP officially included in the U.S. Strategic Reserve, confirmed by Brad Garlinghouse on XRP on a community chat on X. So that is pretty positive. Now, keep in mind that Friday looks like China is coming to the table when it comes to tariffs, and Trump has said, look, we're going to reduce tariffs. So that's pretty good. Looks like the trade wars are over. So, that whole flexing of the muscles is over, and that's why another reason we're seeing the cryptos pump. Also, don't forget we got FOMC meeting as well. We should see a rate cut coming pretty soon as well. So that is positive. These are the kind of things that are stimulating the market. So that is good. Looks like XRP 88 Doge price is breaking out. So right now we're seeing that 270 is the next target, like I said, for XRP. Cardano chart double-digit gains. We're seeing 19.5, 20 cents for Doge coming, and we should be seeing a 77-cent breakout for 88. I think $1 is more likely, but we're seeing some good breakouts coming for Doge and XRP, guys. So XRP rallies to 220 as expert explains why you should own 10,000 XRP. XRP price is at a pivotal point as expert urge traders to hold at least 10,000 to achieve financial freedom. Top analysts have shared XRP forecasts with some suggesting that the altcoin could reach all-time highs soon. So I'm thinking, all you need is 10,000 XRP, and this will create life-changing wealth, guys. So it's coming. It's a matter of time. Time for things to happen for XRP. Also to alert, XRP Ledger Foundation discovers security breach in JavaScript library used to interact with XRP Ledger, and that could steal your crypto private keys. So this already upgraded. This is done. It's been removed. So guys, that was what was going on with that. Did you guys know that bullish Bitcoin surpasses Google to be the 5th largest asset in the world by market cap? Oh yeah, baby. Looking pretty good. What's Watcher Guru got to say about things? Looks like Elon Musk said he's stepping down from Doge. Justin Michael says new SEC Chairman Paul Atkins will be good for the community. That is pretty good. Justin Jim Cramer says the bear market rally could become a real recovery. Let's see. Inverse Kramer. So a lot of things are happening, and a lot of positive things are happening, guys. Also, don't forget, go down, check out my NANO Leger link, and get yourself a hardware wallet. Be safe out there. Crypto is a freaking jungle out there. Doge appears to be in a breakout, and we could see $101, 19.5, 20 cents, 20 cents OG. So that's kind of all I got, guys. Be blessed, be well. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos a day, pump that up to 3 videos, guys. Yeah, guys, get to Bangkok. I love it. You love it. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.